Hello everyone, I have a good news to share with you today. In Portugal, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I met an insider of secret societies, plural, and he told me a very good news. We was talking about different topics, forgiveness, Course in Miracle, and he told me that when he went to the Templars last time, he received an advice to read the book of Gary Renard, The Disappearance of the Universe. It's a very good news because the truth is coming inside also the secret societies. There is not only people that they are for business purpose, there are also brothers and sisters that are looking really for the truth. And the truth is not from this world. So it's a very good news that I wanted to share with you. The Templars, they advise to read the book of Gary Renard, The Disappearance of the Universe, that is bringing also to this book A Course in Miracle, and it's the truth that will deliver you from the dream of samsara and maya and the end of cycles of birth and death. So thank you for those who share this video, and thank you for sharing the good news of Gary Renard, The Disappearance of the Universe, and the Course in Miracle. Ciao, ciao, bye bye. See you soon. Bye.